José Hermenegildo de la Luz Bustos Hernandez was born April 13, 1832, died June 28, 1907, Purisima del Rincon, was a Mexican painter, known mostly for portraits. Although he also created religious paintings and still lifes, he was born to a fervent Catholic family, descended from Indians who had been attached to the mission. Despite growing up in a small village, his youth was subject to the turmoils of the time, including a cholera epidemic, la Desamortización, and the establishment of the Mexican nation. Following in his father's footsteps, he served as a sort of registrar for the village, recording names, dates and events. At various times, he worked as a tinsmith, tailor, carpenter, musician and mason, also displaying an affinity for history and astronomy. He also maintained an orchard for most of his life. His only formal artistic studies were 6 months spent with Juan Nepomuceno Herrera, a portrait painter from nearby León, who apparently taught him little and treated him like a servant.